everybody. Today we're going to draw a strawberry cupcake Shopkin. So let's start with the strawberry on top of the cupcake. It's an oval, tiny oval. And here's the stem, two little tiny lines. And here's the strawberry. It's an oval, but it's a little bit fatter at the top and a little skinnier at the bottom. So it's going to go up and down. And down and together. There's a little green top to the strawberry. It goes down and up and down and up and down. And here's some little seeds on the outside of the strawberry. And next to the strawberry is a dollop of whipped cream. And it goes down and down and down and together. It goes up and down and up and down. Under the strawberry and the dollop of whipped cream is the frosting of the cupcake. Of course, the frosting goes on top of the cupcake. So here's the frosting. It goes up and down and then it continues down. So it goes up and down and down. That's the top of the frosting that's on the top of the cupcake. The bottom of the frosting is a wavy line. So that wavy line goes down and up and 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 down and up. So it's a wavy line. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. And together. Now we don't see much of the top of the cupcake because it's mostly covered with frosting. But we do see just the ends of the top, which goes down and down. Now most people line their cupcake tin with cupcake cups made of paper. And that's what you're going to see next. Diagonal. And over on this side, there's diagonal. Diagonal. And diagonal. This is the top of the paper cupcake liner that goes inside the cupcake tin that you use for baking cupcakes. Here we go, diagonal. And diagonal. And it goes up and down. Now, of course, when you're actually eating a real cupcake, you're going to peel this paper liner off the cupcake before you eat it. But for the purpose of the Shopkin, they leave the paper liner on the Shopkin. Next step, it goes down. And the diagonal goes down. And the bottom of the cupcake goes down. I'm going to leave a little space here because I'm going to do the foot of the Shopkin. So the foot goes up and down and around. It's an oval for one of the feet of the Shopkin. Let's go ahead and put the other foot while we're here. It goes down and up. And then the bottom continues to go down and up. Now here's an eyebrow. It goes up and down and up and down. Here's the cheek of the Shopkin. It goes up and down. And the eye goes up, around, and down. The eyeball goes up and across. Next step, it goes down and up and across. We're going to do a circle. And I'm going to fill in this part of the eyeball. One, two little lines there. Now this Shopkin is blinking. And when you blink at someone, you leave one eye open and then you shut the other eye. So to draw this blinking eye, it's going to go up and down and up. And one little line here. Next step is the top of the mouth. It goes down and up. And the mouth goes down and up. Now this Shopkin has 2 front teeth, diagonal, 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 3 diagonal lines, and here's the bottom of the teeth, diagonal. Now we don't see teeth at the bottom of the mouth, but we do see the tongue, and the tongue goes down. Now we know real cupcakes don't have hands and feet, but since this is a Shopkin, we're going to add some hands. The hand goes up. And the hand goes down. The hand goes up. And the hand goes up. And the hand goes down and together. And there you have it. Here's our strawberry cupcake Shopkin. Thanks, everybody.